Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a quick table calculation. So let's go ahead and I'm going to grab subcategory here. And as you can see, it shows all of our subcategories. Now I want to go down, let's go ahead and do quantity here. All right, so now we can see how much we sold of each product. Now, let's say we wanted to do a table calculation to where we could show how much sold the most or how much sold the least, and we could rank it based upon that. All right, let's go ahead and do our quick table calculation. I went to the pill over here for our quantity and the sum of the quantity. Then I'm going to do a quick table calculation. Then I will do rank. Then, as you can see, we have each subcategory is showing its rank. So if we sort by ascending, we can see which subcategory sold the most as far as quantity goes. And that's going to be our binders. Now, let's say we wanted to also see the quantity along with this. What we could do is we can drag quantity over to columns. Then we have a bar chart that will show us roughly the quantity of each thing. So we know, hey, binders is actually a good chunk ahead of the second ranked item, which is going to be paper. But I hope that you found this video helpful as far as understanding table calculations. In the next video, hopefully by the time I upload this, you'll see a table calculation filter and you'll be able to understand how to filter this down. But again, I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can connect with me on LinkedIn at EmilyCallMBA. Thanks so much. Catch you guys in the next one.